Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add directional blur effects to your video on CapCut. So first, get your clips ready and then go to effects, video effects, and then go to basic and choose the slanted blur effect. Okay, this one. Adjust the rotate into 50 like this, and then go back, click on the check icon, and here make it as short as possible. Okay, for example like this, and then after that copy it 10 times and place the copy in layer like this. Okay, so I've already copied, and then make the copied version effect longer than the one before. So click on that and make it longer. So scroll down again. Okay, and then after that adjust the blur of each effect 5 less than the one before. So here click on the second effects and then adjust it. So adjust the blur -5 into 45, and the next one into 40. Okay guys, so I'm finished, and then here is the result. Okay, you can do this for like a few clips, so you can add this effect at the beginning of each clips. Since I've already had one, so here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.